Hi, Belle. Oh,
Hi, teacher.
hi. Are you in the balcony? Are you in the
Yes.
balcony? Yes, you are. What are you doing there? Is it hot inside?
No, it's
Oh,
rainy.
oh, it's raining. Did you take a bath in the rain? Did you take a bath in the rain, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did. I don't think so. Okay, because most of my students would say that you will get sick if you will catch a cold if you um take a bath in the rain. Okay, so what did you do in the morning?
I
What?
um I go to grandma home.
Oh, you visited your grandma. I see. What about in the afternoon?
Uh,
What did you do in the afternoon? Did you go to the park? Did you ride a bike with
no, no.
um
Afternoon is rainy, and I outside.
oh, okay. I see. Okay, Belle. How are you feeling now? Are you hungry? Are you tired? Are you sleepy? Are you thirsty?
I'm not anything.
Oh, I'm not. Okay, so you're just all right. You're fine. Okay. Now, in here, Belle, all you have to do is not to write it, but I want you to pick it up. Okay, so what does he want? He wants eggs. Okay, what about for the second one?
What does she want? She wants salad.
Great job. What about three?
That's all. What
Three,
do
Belle.
you What do you want? I want steak.
Okay, very good. About you, what do you want to eat now?
Ba chờ em họ đi vô tới nhà rồi.
Who are you talking to? Are you talking to your mom?
No, I talking.
Or do you know neighbors, Belle?
No.
Oh no, neighbors. They are the people who live near you or next to you. Okay, now let us have this
Um,
one. You know all these fruits, right? What's this, Belle?
this is a apple.
What's this?
This is a banana.
What's this?
This a orange.
Okay, what's this?
This is a peach.
Yes, very good. What is your favorite fruit?
Is watermelon uh and uh, and,
Um,
and banana.
oh, okay, that's delicious indeed. But what fruit don't you like?
I don't like I don't like apple and
Oh,
I don't like apple and and mango.
Why don't you like apples and mango? Why don't you like them?
I like watermelon and mango. I don't like banana and lemon.
Oh, okay. You like bananas. Okay,
Banana in Vietnam is black.
Oh,
It's
really?
very black.
Not yellow? Not
Yes.
yellow? Black? Oh,
Yes.
okay. Maybe it's a different kind of banana, Belle. It's a different one. You don't like the taste?
Yes.
You don't like the taste? Oh, I see. Now in here, Belle, all you have to do is to tell me what he or he has. Okay. What do you have?
I have apple.
Apples. Apples. See? He's holding three. So apples. Apples. This
Apples.
one, it's apple. Okay. What does he have?
She has bananas.
Okay. What does he have?
She has orange.
And what do you have?
I have peach.
Peaches. Okay. These are oranges. Bell oranges. Peaches. Peaches.
Peach.
Peaches. Okay. Peaches. Apples. Bananas. Oranges. If it's only one apple, Bell, we say apple. Okay. But if it's two or more, we will say apple. If it's just one banana, we'd say banana. But if it's two or more, it's bananas. If it's just one orange, Bell, we'd say orange. But it's more than one, we'd say oranges. And if it's just one peach, we'd say peach. And if it's two or more peaches, okay?
Yes.
Now, let us have this one. Do you have apples? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he or she have apples? Yes, he or she does. No, he or she doesn't. Okay, now let us have the first picture. Do you have apples?
Yes.
Do you have apples? Yes, I. Okay, yes, very good. Does she have bananas?
No, she doesn't.
Very good. Yeah, she doesn't have bananas, Belle. Okay,
she
so
has
now
apple,
she has
orange,
what?
and peach.
Oranges and peaches. Okay, apples, oranges, and peaches. Now, what about this guy? Does he have oranges?
Yes, he does.
Okay. Does he have oranges?
No, she doesn't.
Yes, no, she doesn't. Instead, she has bananas, peaches, and apples. Okay, yes, that's right. So now, since we're done talking about that, let us have this one singing activity. Let us sing this one back.
Page 27. D. Sing. Does she have apples?
Does she have
You have apples?
Yes,
Yes,
she
she
does.
does.
Does
Does
she have
she have
peaches?
peaches?
Yes,
She
she
does.
does.
Does
Does
she
she have
have oranges?
oranges?
Yes,
Yes,
she
she
does.
does.
Does she have
Does she have
bananas?
bananas?
No, she
No, she
doesn't.
doesn't. Does
have
she have
peaches?
peaches?
Yes,
Yes,
she
she
does.
does.
Does
Does
she have
she have
oranges?
oranges?
Yes,
Yes,
she
she
does.
does.
Does she have
No
bananas?
bananas?
No, she
No, she
doesn't.
doesn't. Okay, let us stop in there, Belle, and we'll have this one now. Oh, let me see how you draw this. Okay, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange. Now, what about in here? Peach, peach, orange, peach. Oh, let me see if you can find peach. Let me see, let me see. Can you find peach? Wait, wait, wait. Let me see, let me see. An apple.
Now
Okay,
it's a
peach.
peach.
Okay, it's peach. Okay, let us write peach. Okay, what about for three, Belle? Apple, banana, apple, banana. Let me see if that looks like peach now. Okay, oh, it's different. I see. Okay, apple. Now what about for four, banana, banana, peach, banana. Can you see banana? Can you see it? No, you can't. Can you see it, Belle? Okay, that's so clever. Okay, very good. Banana. Monkey, this is not a banana, Belle.
The
Monkey.
monkey like bananas.
Yeah, monkeys like bananas, Belle. Now let us have this one. Okay, so all you have to do here is to number it. He has apples. He doesn't have peaches. Which picture shows that? Is it one, two, or three? Okay. Is it one? He has apples. Two, three. Good, Belle. I have bananas. I don't have oranges. It. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good, Belle. All correct answers. Great job. Okay. Now, next one. Let us have this. Okay. So, does he have blank? Yes, he does. Does he have oranges or bananas? What is the answer?
Bananas.
Okay, yes. Does he have bananas? Yes, he does. Does he have
Orange. No,
oranges? No,
doesn't.
he doesn't. Very good. What about for two, Belle? I mean, three
Does
now, three. Does,
does she does she does she have
does he have?
apples?
Does he have apples?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Okay, yes, he does. Okay, four, Belle.
Does she
Four.
does she has
Have, have? We have
oh
does, Belle, so we will use have. Okay, does he have peaches? Peaches? No?
no she doesn't.
Very good. No, she doesn't. What about five? What is the answer for five?
Do you have do you have do you have apple?
Okay, very good. Do you have apples?
Yes, I do. Do you have orange? No, I don't.
Mm-hmm, yes, very good. Do you have oranges? No, I don't. Okay, now, what about you, Belle? Can you tell me what fruit do you have in your house now? I have. What fruit do you have in your house now, Belle? Do you have pineapple? Do you have mango? Oh, what is that? Is that avocado? Oh, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Is that watermelon, Belle? And bananas. Oh, you have your favorite. Okay. So you have watermelon and banana. Am I right, Belle? Is this a watermelon, Belle? Belle? Is this is this
What?
watermelon? Is this
Yes,
watermelon? Yes,
yes,
and banana. Right?
yes.
Banana. Oh, nice. Okay, thank you
But
so much. But
but I don't like banana.
oh, you
I
don't
like
like banana.
I
Mm,
like
maybe
watermelon.
maybe Taipei like bananas.
Yes.
Oh, yes, that is why you have bananas and watermelons. Okay. Now, next one, Belle will have this. Okay, we have here a story. Let us watch this one.
Do you want an apple?
Yes.
No.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
No, thank you. Do you want an apple, Anne?
No, thank you. I have an apple.
Okay, there you have it. And that story shows being polite, Belle. When someone would ask you, do you want an apple? Do you want watermelon? You will not say yes or no. You have to say yes, please, or no, thank you. That is the nicest way of saying that you want something or you don't want something, okay? So you say yes, please, or do you want banana, Belle? No, thank you. Okay.
Yes.
Now let us have this one. Listen and encircle if it's a tick or a cross. Let us listen
Page
now.
29. B. Listen and circle check or X. 1,
Do you want an apple?
2,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, please.
Okay. For the first one, do you want an apple? And for the second one, yes, please. Okay. What about for two? Okay, it's a tick as well.
3,
No, thank you.
No, thank you. What about three? No, thank you. Okay, yes, it's a cross. And the last one.
4,
I have an apple.
Okay, I have an apple. There you have it. Very good, Belle. That is correct. Oh, now we have another singing activity, Belle. Sing this one with me. Hi. Oh, I think that is Taipei, right? Is that Taipei? Is that Taipei, Belle?
Huh?
Is that Taipei? Okay.
Yes.
Hi. Does he speak English, Belle? Does he speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, he does. Nice, nice. Where are you? Hello, Ty. Is his nickname Ty because your nickname is Belle? short for Belgium, and his is Taipei. So I believe his name is Tai.
Okay.
Where are you now? Where are you going? Are you in your bedroom? Oh, okay. Let us sing this one.
Page 29. C. Sing. Do you want an apple?
Do you want an apple?
An apple?
Yes.
No.
Excuse
me.
Excuse
Excuse me. Do you want an apple?
Yes, please.
Please.
No.
No.
No,
No.
thank you.
Thank you.
Orange. Do you want an
You want an orange?
Yes.
No.
Excuse
Excuse me.
Excuse
Excuse me. Do you want an orange?
Yes, please.
Please. No.
No,
No.
thank you.
Thank you.
Peach. Do you want a
You want
peach?
peach?
Yes.
No. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you want a
peach?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
No.
No.
No, thank
No,
you.
thank you. Okay, that is it. Now let us have your workbook directly. Okay, can you form the story about what happened first, what happened next, what happened last? 1, 2, 3. Where is Belle? Belle? Okay. Yeah, I see you, Belle. I see you. What happened first? What happened first? Mm-hmm. Are you sure? Do you want an apple? Yes. No, no, thank you. Yes, please excuse me. Mm-hmm. Is that what we have heard in the audio, in the story, Belle? This one is correct. This is what happened first. Mom asked them, do you want an apple? Yes. No. And mom replied, excuse me. Okay, excuse me. And they said, no, thank you. And yes, please. Okay, so this is the third one, Belle. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and the 3. Now let us have this one. Okay, so I want you to unscramble it. What is the answer here?
Do you want a banana? Yes,
What about for
please. No, thank you. I have a banana.
Great job. That's right. So now let us have this one. Okay, in circle, Bell to make question and answers. Like for the first one, do you want an apple? Do you want an apple? Do you want an apple?
No, I don't.
No, but about the apple, Bell. He's about to touch the apple. Is it no?
No.
Is it no? He's smiling. He is about to touch the apple because he wants it. So it is? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay, what about for the second one? The second one, Belle? Is it do or does? What did you answer? Why is the circle too big? Okay, do. Okay, do you want an? Do you want an? Okay, do you want an orange? Okay, no, thank you. Very good. And for the last picture, Belle. Do you want a? Do you want a banana?
Oh,
Oh, do you want a banana? It? No or yes?
no, thank you.
No. Okay, very good. No, thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, what about you? What do you want, Belle? Do you want watermelon?
Yes.
Yes, please. Okay, so that's all it for our class now. Thank you so much and goodbye, Belle. Goodbye.